And good afternoon. It is now 11 o'clock and it is Friday, and I'm off to do truck things here in the CyberTruck. Yeah, the CyberTruck is like any other pickup truck, it's just better. I'm headed down to Duncan, South Carolina. It's probably 30 miles south. Then I'm headed all the way up to pick up my buddy Richard up in Flat Rock on the way to Skyland, and that be in North Carolina, just south of Asheville. Gonna do some hauling with a trailer I'm picking up in Duncan. Then I'm gonna drop Richard off and bring all that junk back here to the house. So that's what's happening today. I'm leaving the house with 61%, and you're saying, oh man, that's not enough. Well, let's hope it is. We're just here on Interstate 85. Looks like we got another 3 miles and we'll get off and we'll head south. Going to a place called Duncan, South Carolina. My buddy Matt's got my trailer and I'm going to pick it up there. He's also been driving the Rivian, hauling stuff around, so that's worked out okay. Running FSD, and all is good. We're just about ready to get off Interstate 85 here onto wherever it is, exit 63, Highway 280. That'll take us south. Hey, there goes a Performance Model Y.
Now take exit 63 on the right.
Since we're going to Duncan, I guess it'd be a good idea to get off going to Duncan. Yeah, we got a little construction I can see up here.
Feet, turn left onto East Main Street.
But I don't think FSD cares. Alright, needs to get its fanny over, and it is.
Now turn left onto East Main Street.
Yeah, no, you turn left onto East Main Street. It's red light. How come everybody was going through it? It's weird. Construction, construction, construction.
Now turn right onto Rogers Bridge Road.
Golly. Know what's going on with all the folks driving here? But we can turn right on red, so we do. Just like that. All right, we're going to be there soon. I'll pick you up once I get there. You can see this time of year, of course, it's November. All these leaves should be off the trees, but being in South Carolina, it's kind of warm. It's not the case. But we're heading towards winter in a hurry.
In 1 mile, turn left onto East Victor Hill Road.
You can see all the damage of the trees. People cut them down, put them by the road. And it's from the Hurricane Helene. Let's see how many folks figure out how four-way stops work. All right, here we go. And just like that, we're leaving Duncan. Yeah, looky there. We've got a trailer in tow. Yes, we do. It's my 6x12 garden trailer. Got some moving to do today here in the CyberTruck. Heading out of Duncan now. Going to get up on Interstate 85, then 26 headed to the north. We're headed to Flat Rock, North Carolina. We're headed back a little different way. We came up on this road, but Google in its infinite wisdom sent me on the shortest path down the goat path.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East Main Street.
So we're going to get this way. Yeah, and you know what? It looks like we're probably going to have to charge up in Hendersonville. How about that? We're now up on Interstate 85. Doing 66 seems to be a good number for these tires on the trailer, and it looks pretty happy back there. One thing you got to remember in a CyberTruck, due to the extreme steering, do not turn it sharp when you're pulling a trailer, or it's $500. Take a word from me. Yeah, I punched a hole in the bumper cover and right through the Bluetooth receiver. So there you go. We're now on Interstate 26, yeah, and 27 miles to Richards in Flat Rock. And according to this, it looks like a 13% arrival, which means we're going to have to charge in Hendersonville at the supercharger, which is fine. So I talked to Richard, and I think the plan is we'll stop by and get a quick charge, go grab a sandwich, and then head up north. We're just up on the mountain here by Saluda exit, and look at our percentage. Look at that, 24%. What does that mean? Well, it doesn't mean anything. It just means we got about a quarter of a tank. We're just going down in the Green River Gorge here, which is Peter Geis Bridge. They named it after somebody. Peter Geis. Anyway, they've been working on this for a year or more. They've added a whole 2 lanes to it here. But it's getting there finally. Just it's taking time. We are off on Upward Road, headed to pick up Richard. Richard lives on a dirt road. It's okay. We're in the CyberTruck. We're back on Interstate 26 westbound, and I picked up some character here. Richard, he's my helper and good friend, and I got to stay on the road. The truck's whining. Next stop, supercharger. We're at 16% in the tank. We are connected. Look at that. It was 253 kW. Now it's coming down off the peak. But we'll be here about 10 minutes and then we'll be down the road. Doesn't take long. We got our quick charge. Look at that, 45% or 135 miles. should be fine. We only don't need to drive that much. Okay, Richard, are you happy with 45%?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Why not? We're not going that far.
Yeah, we're not going that far. Anyway, we're off to get some lunch to Alley Cat Deli. We are at Alley Cat Deli. You are looking at one of the best Reubens in Hendersonville, North Carolina. It's awesome. Try it. Alley Cat Deli. Wow, what a good lunch. Yeah, we had to park here in the parking lot to save more foods. All right, well, we better get to work. We're now in Mills River, heading up towards the Skyland area. And it looks like the buses are almost on the road. Hopefully we'll get there before all the kids show up. We're just getting on the interstate, and what did we spy? A CyberTruck. Yes, we did. All right, well, there we go. There's our CyberTruck sighting for today. We are eastbound now on Interstate 26, heading south. Looks like we're going to get off at Four Seasons Boulevard. My wife called. She wants a salad from Chick-fil-A, and one of the problems where we live down in Polk County, there's no Chick-fil-A. So on the way to take Richard back, we're going to stop real quick at Chick-fil-A, give my wife her meal, and then we're heading out. Looks like 5 miles to get off this here. We're off on Four Seasons Boulevard on the way to Chick-fil-A. It's just up here. And then we'll be heading to Richard's. This is 4:30. It's almost big time rush hour here. Well, look at this. We made this left turn into the parking lot, and I heard it go whoomp, and I saw something fly in the left side, and we now have 0 PSI. So we're gonna go check it out, but we're parked in a safe spot in the parking lot of the Walmart. My spare is in the other CyberTruck with the jack. And so what I'm going to have to do is go to my house 15 miles away, get the spare and the jack and the tool, and come back here, replace it, and do all that hoo-ha. So there you go. Well, here it is. I don't know what I ran over, but it created a gigantic hole in the tire. So there you go.
That's a $1.98 tire, too.
Yeah, and it's a $1.98, $520 tire. That's okay. I got a spare. So what do you think? You like it? Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah, there you go.
Look, Archer, you sit like you're driving.
Yeah, turn around and sit like you're driving. There you go.
There you go, bud.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. I am in my second CyberTruck, which is called Klaatu. That's Klaatu. Gort is the one with the trailer and the flat tire. So heading up there. Klaatu has the spare tire and the jack and all the tools. Same one I took to Wyoming. So I'm heading up. I'm going to go to Richard's now. He's eating dinner. I just had something with my wife. I'm going to pick him up. We're going to go over. We'll swap the tire out, and Richard will drive Klaatu to his house, and I will bring Gort, my other CyberTruck with the trailer, home here to try on. So that's the skinny. Heck of a day.
Should have been video while you're doing that.
No, we're here. We just got the tire replaced. Truck's jacked up, 3-ton floor jack. It's perfect, goes right on the jack point. And we've just got the new tire on. We're going to torque it up. All right, tire fixed. We are mobile. Richard's up there in Klaatu, and I'm here in Gort. And he's driven one of the CyberTrucks earlier, so we'll see. We're just getting out on the highway here. See if we can get her Fanny home. And all is good. Okay. So here we go. Back on Interstate 26, heading back to Tryon. All is good. So far, the tire does not register for the tire pressure. It's because I need to do a reset. It does have a TPMS in the spare, but I don't think it's smart enough to figure it out yet. So anyway, it's okay. We're on the road. Richard's headed to his house with the other CyberTruck, which is Clat 2. This is Gort. If you're wondering where that comes from, you want to watch The Day the Earth Stood Still, 1951. Don't watch that 2008 Keanu Reeves abomination. It's terrible. Doesn't even follow the story. We're running with about 24% in the battery, which is no problem. It's about 30 miles. We think we have maybe 8 miles to go. It's not a problem. And it's dark out here. We're between Hendersonville and a place called Columbus. We're just going down the saluted grade here. We're regenning as we go down. It's hard to see there, but the green bar there on the left. Kind of see what the rear camera looks like. And then the side cameras. Well, looky there, I'm home. 20%. I'm hooked up, but it's not going to charge until in the morning at 10 a.m. when the solar panels will power the charger, and I'll be able to get free a charge. The back left wheel is synchronized here, and we are all good, so that's cool. And today we arrived with 20%. Yeah, we had to get a little juice there in Hendersonville, but it worked out just fine. All except for the darn flat tire. If you like today's video, give me a like. Go ahead and pass it on to your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.